Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So this stock is about to skyrocket, and I'm gonna give you guys a few of them. And what I want you to do is take all the stocks, pick the one that you resonate with, the one that best fits your type of style, the one that you can pull out and see exactly what I see and see the potential in it, like I see the potential in it. And that's the stock you go with, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. As we know, though, this is not financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know the stocks that I'm looking at, stocks I'm getting in and out of to capitalize off of during this bearish bullish market, guys. This is a bullish market within a bearish market. This is exactly what this is. So be very, very cautious. Don't think you just, especially if you plan for the short term, if you just buying and holding, accumulating shares when it was cheap, you shouldn't be accumulating now if that's your strategy. So that obviously can't make sense. So you got to be, either day trading, option trading, or whatever the case may be, if you're, trying to get in on this market while it's hot now. And if you was investing for the long term, you ass backwards. You supposed to be doing that on the red days when there's blood in the streets, not when you see green. So just to put that out there. So anyways, guys, I want you guys to be smart out there, meticulous, know how to aim small, miss small. Don't be so greedy. Understand the smallest things means the most. The smallest things that I say in the video. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and carry on though. We got the banger, the number one banger on the list. This ain't even about this, but we gotta just AMC is the star. AMC is a star right now. It ain't did what we need to do just yet, but AMC is definitely a star. And we can go ahead and call it before it does do what we need to do. Because that FOMO is going to get crazy. A lot of people is going to be wishing they could have got the prices in the teens, because this is not going to be for long. But the main reason for this video though, because we know obviously everybody on the channel watching AMC, but the other stocks that I'm looking at, guys, that has potential, and we'll call out, I'm gonna do them in order for which ones has the greatest potential, being for the fact of, it didn't run up as much yet. It got a little spark, but it didn't run up as much as the others. So anyways, guys, we know Snap is on that list. We've been called out Snap before. Snap ended the day at $10.23. We called out Snapchat before, but Snapchat was been consolidating in that low, not that mid $9 in the $10 range. Like I told you guys, some people were saying that it was a loss, that I called the stock out and it didn't do nothing, but I don't agree with that. The only way Snap would have been a bad investment or a bad call out on my end is if it would have went below $9, $8, $7, $6. If it would have went down in that territory, then that would have been a bad call out. I told you guys the ideal price target to load up for Snap was $10 to $12 range, meaning 10 to be the bottom. And it actually came down to $9.55, 45 cents off from my target. So that's basically ideal, perfect setup. And after it broke above $9.96 like it did today, this bad boy can easily shoot up to $13, $14. And that'd be a crazy return, especially if you're doing options. We talking over hundreds of percentage. Even if you buying shares, we still talking over 30%, which the market would usually take historically 3 years to get you that type of return. So let's go ahead and carry on with the next one, guys. The next banger on the list is Tilray, guys. Like I told you guys, I told you guys I lost money in Tilray, a lot of money on down big, but I am expecting for it to come back and come back strong. For the people that wasn't involved in this play, I'm not a hater. I don't mind being down in the play, and then you get the stock cheaper than what I got it for. So I feel as if it's coming back if I'm still holding it. So that way, I gotta wait for it to get to my average cost, and you already in the green in the profits because you got in on the ground floor. Because nobody knows when the bottom of the top is at the top, but I'm pretty sure when Tilray came down to the threes, the mid threes, low threes, that was the bottom, guys, ground floor. And even if it want to go down to $2 or $1, where else is going to go? 50 cents, 10 cents. That's the beautiful thing about going long. I know what the floor is. I don't believe Tilray is going to $0.00, guys. And we $3, that's very close to $0 to $1. So with that being said, the risk is bare minimum, people. It's bare minimum, and the reward is what? Through the roof. Phenomenal. I ain't even want to tell y'all about that play. So I'm just playing. Y'all know I'm gonna let y'all know. But that's a golden play right there. When that thing start to move, it's gonna move quick. I'm talking about if somebody catch it, catch it right before the big move, like before it move up $2-3 in a day, we talking, you know, over 700-800% return on options if this move can happen before the expiration date, before that contract expire. We talking crazy money. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and carry on. The next banger on the list, guys, we have is Upstart. As you know, I made over 125% on Upstart yesterday. Made another 100% Upstart again today. And we ended at $29.10, up over 14% on the day alone. I told you guys large cap companies was going to start making moves like this, so be prepared for it. And sure enough, it came just as perfect timing, just as we was expecting. So anyways, that's the next banger on the list, guys, and the last banger on the list. You definitely want to be checking out those hot plays going into tomorrow, because it's definitely going to be some more money to be made, guys. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.